Coming soon to Adventure Archives, we head to the American Southwest on another road trip adventure. And this time, after missing our last 2 road trips, Bryan finally joins the gang. So come with us as we explore some of the most iconic landscapes and geological wonders in Utah.
This is like Garden of the Gods times a million.
Experience fascinating historic sites in southwest Colorado.
This is not for the claustrophobics out there.
And have a lot of fun along the way. This episode will be out for free soon, but you can watch the full thing early right now on patreon.com/adventure. So join us on our wild, laughter-filled journey as we road trip across the Southwest.